noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your balls from across the floor. Noses are nicky like you told them or killed their hee-hee. Unzips your baggy as pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy wonky. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy like you, nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this first shit. He don't see it coming.
Day 2, let's go! Alright, I realized that the meowing from last time was completely unnecessary, so I'm not gonna do that this time. But yeah, that was day 2 of daily Misfire. I don't know, man. There we go.